Do you love chicken? Do you love basil? Well, then you're gonna love my Basil Chicken Stir Fry, only available at Ding Ding Kitchen. Pro tip, have some tissues ready because you might be drooling by the end of this video. Let's get started. Start by cutting the onion. Next, we can cut up the green peppers and mince the garlic. For the basil, I like to remove the leaves off the stems, but this is optional. Slice the chicken into small pieces like this. To marinate, add a little white pepper, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix it up, then add some oil. Mix well. For the sauce, you'll need water, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, sugar, dark soy sauce, and cornstarch. Now we can start cooking. In a pan on high heat, add oil and then add the chicken to the pan. Don't move the chicken right away. Get a nice sear on it first. Once there's enough color, flip and stir fry the chicken. Now we can set it aside. Immediately add the onions to the pan now. And add the green peppers too. Stir fry until aromatic, then add the garlic. Now let's add the chicken back into the pan. Oh no, the chicken jumped out. Good thing that there's a 3-second rule. Now add the sauce.
Wow, 咁有型嘅!
Lastly, we can add the basil and turn off the heat. Plate and then serve. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.